Welcome to Product Critique. In today's review, we're diving into the best Nightguard cleaner on the market, the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner. If you've been searching for a reliable way to keep your retainers, mouthguards, or other dental appliances in top shape, this product is a game changer. Let's get into why this ultrasonic cleaner should be your go-to choice. This ultrasonic retainer cleaner uses advanced 45 kHz high-frequency sound waves to effortlessly clean your dental tools. The vibrations reach every crevice and corner of your retainers, mouthguards, and other small appliances, ensuring a deep and thorough clean without any risk of damage. It's perfect for people who want a hassle-free solution to keeping their dental tools spotless and fresh. The machine is also equipped with 4 UV lights that enhance the cleaning process by eliminating odors and providing a thorough sterilization. The combination of ultrasonic waves and UV light makes this cleaner highly effective, leaving your dental appliances looking and feeling brand new every time. What sets this product apart is its 4 professional cleaning modes. Whether you need a quick 5-minute clean or a more thorough 10-minute cycle, the cleaner offers flexibility with its various settings. You can choose from ultrasonic cleaning with UV light, or just one of the functions alone, depending on your needs. It's perfect for dentures, braces, mouthguards, and even jewelry. Another major benefit is the quiet operation. At just 45 decibels, this ultrasonic cleaner is much quieter than many other models, making it ideal for use in a busy household or when you need to keep the noise down at night. Plus, with its low-noise design and efficient performance, you won't be disturbed while it's doing its job. The machine has a 200 milliliters capacity, which is great for cleaning multiple items at once, and it's portable enough to take with you when traveling. It even comes with accessories like a tweezer and a shelf for cleaning jewelry or watches, making it a versatile option for various household cleaning needs. If you're someone who uses dental appliances regularly, this cleaner is a must-have. It's easy to operate with a one-button control, and its large capacity means you won't have to clean items in batches. It's perfect for busy individuals or families who want an efficient and reliable way to clean their dental gear. In conclusion, the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner offers a complete and convenient solution for keeping your Nightguard, dentures, braces, and other dental appliances in pristine condition. With advanced ultrasonic technology, UV light sterilization, and multiple cleaning modes, this cleaner offers unmatched convenience and efficiency. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and if you're looking for an effortless way to care for your dental tools, this product is definitely worth considering.